Hi guys, once I received this kind of data from the client, and in this we have to segregate names based on the serial number. So, for example, we have serial number 1, and in this we have hers, and in this same serial number we have Rahul also, and Son also, and Sankey also. So all serial one name we want it into the first column, and like we have Vision into the second column, second serial number, we have Gopal into the second serial number, Kapil is into the second serial number, Dilip is also into the second serial number. So we want these name into the second column, like that we want third serial number name into the third column, fourth serial name into the fourth column, fifth serial name into the fifth column. So if we have large data, so it's become difficult for us to uh, to uh, to to filter out that kind of scenario. Okay, so to avoid that, we have one formula, and so we can write one formula here. Like first, we will use the sort by, like sort by, and in sort by we will drag the array, means which we want to display. So let's select the name array here, and by which array you want to sort it. We want to sort it based on the serial number, so let's select the serial number here and then close it. When I will press enter, so what's the problem here? What's the problem here? Here you can see we have selected, okay, we have not selected the full array. You can see here we have not selected the full array. Let's select again. Okay, and now press enter. So you will see Harish, Rahul, Son, Sankey all are in serial one. So these are sorted, like Vishan, Gopal, and Kapil and Dilip are in the second serial number. So these are all sorted based on the serial number. But we want it into the column. So we will press here F2, and we will concatenate with one more formula, that is that is wrap RAPCOLS, and then parenthesis, and then vector we have already written here. Then wrap count means in how many row you want the data into the five, like into the five columns. So we want it into the four row. So I will now write parenthesis and will press enter. So you can see why this formula wrap calls sort by, and then array which we I want to display, and then by which array you want to sort out, and you want into the fourth column. So after pressing enter, you will receive this kind of data. Thank you guys. That's all from my side. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more no for more new update. Thank you very much once again.